So what I have right here is the same thing that McKinley had, but instead of the guards like this, I have a full protection cage for it, and the protection cage is somewhat better and not as good as these guards, because it protects the front, and then if you accidentally hit someone, you have no chance. With like this, you have absolutely no chance of cutting them, because the blades are completely protected, and that's one of the best good things about this. And then one of the bad things is that it's hard to access the battery, so you would have to take it off, and sometimes it doesn't like to be taken off. Just to put the battery in or replace the battery. And then after I get this off, I'll show you how it goes on correctly. But for now, I'll just leave it on. Yeah. And then it still leaves your gimbal accessibility to taking the videos. At the same time, it's protecting the back, the top, and the top of the gimbal. And then it still leaves the bottom accessible for the landing gear. And then if you want to add extra landing gear, like the landing gear in here, you can still do that, because it gives you enough space for you to put the back legs on. This for the back, and then on the back ones it has an L for the left side, and then here on the right side it has an R right over here, so that you know where to put each one. And if I were you and you got the protection cage, and then I would put on the extra landing gear first. And then the front landing gear, it doesn't matter which side it goes, as long as you have the front of them facing the front, like this. And then I'll go ahead and manage to take this off. I'll just show you what I'm going to show you with this one. So I'm going to show you how the IMU calibration works. So for IMU calibration, you have to fold the drone back up how it is whenever you don't have anything on it and you have it in the case that comes with it. So you fold it up, and then first, whenever you have to have it connected to your phone, but I'm going to show you what the phone is going to tell you. It'll tell you first to place it like this, and then flat on a flat surface, and then it'll ask you to place it on its side on the flat surface, and you have to do it on a flat dry surface. And then after that, it's either you flip it onto the other side like this, and then after that you flip it onto the top, and then you wait until it says that it's complete after you do that, and then you reopen it. Then if you want to, put the guards back on, and then during all of this you don't turn off the drone at all. But I'm going to show you the basic functions of the drone and how you take off if you're not using a phone and you don't, like I did, and you don't want to have to hold that. You will have to open up the antennas, then open this up so that you get better grip, and then you turn on the controller after you turn on the drone, and then you wait for the light on that and the light on this to stop blinking, and then that'll tell you that it's paired. It doesn't always like to pair quickly, so what I do whenever it doesn't pair is I turn the drone off, the controller off, then I turn the drone off, I wait a little bit, turn the drone back on, and then turn the controller back on.
Okay, let's stop there.